unleashing the power of mobile hotspot. Share Wi-Fi anywhere, anytime. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Trends and Tech. Today, we've got something really exciting for you. Unlocking the secrets of sharing your connected Wi-Fi from your mobile to other devices. Yes, you heard it right. So, grab your devices and let's dive in. All right, let's start with the basics. Pull out your smartphones and we'll guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're on iOS or Android, sharing your Wi-Fi is a breeze. Step 1. Android users. For our Android friends, head over to your settings. Once you're there, tap on Connections or Network and Internet, depending on your device. Now find and select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. And there it is, the magical Mobile Hotspot option. Enable it and tap on it. Tap on Configure to change the network name and password. Tap on Advanced and enable Wi-Fi sharing. Tap Save. Congratulations! You've just turned your phone into a Wi-Fi sharing powerhouse. But wait, there's more. Let's talk USB tethering. Step 1.1, USB tethering for Android. Within the same Hotspot and Tethering menu, you'll find USB tethering. Plug in your phone to your device using a USB cable, toggle on USB tethering, and you're set. Your phone is now sharing its internet through the USB connection. Step 2. iOS users. If you're an iPhone user, fear not. Sharing Wi-Fi is just as simple. Open your settings, scroll down to Personal Hotspot, and toggle it on. You might need to set up your hotspot by entering a password. Once done, you're good to go. Your mobile is now a hotspot, ready to share the internet love. Now that our hotspot is active, let's connect some devices. Grab your tablets, laptops, or any other gadget that needs Wi-Fi. Step 3. Connect to mobile hotspot. On your device, search for available Wi-Fi networks. You'll find your mobile hotspot listed there. Click on it, enter the password if prompted, and voila, you're connected. It's like having Wi-Fi on the go wherever you are. Perfect for those remote work days or road trips. But that's not all. For those of you using USB tethering, simply connect your phone to your device using a USB cable. Your device will recognize the connection and you're online in seconds. Tips and tricks. But wait, there's more. Let me share some pro tips to enhance your mobile hotspot experience. Tip 1. Battery saving. To save your phone's battery, remember to turn off the hotspot when not in use. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference. Tip 2. Password security. Change your hotspot password regularly to keep your connection secure. It's a quick and easy way to stay one step ahead of potential intruders. And there you have it, folks. Sharing your Wi-Fi from your mobile device to others is a game changer. Whether you're a digital nomad or just sharing the internet love with friends, this is a must-try. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, this is Trends and Tech signing off. Stay connected.